Move over, Oprah! Talk show host Ellen also has a list of favorite things you can buy. And these are a few of the ones she suggests you snatch before spring is in full effect. According to Delish.com, the TV personality shares her monthly must-haves you can purchase from Walmart. For the month of March, she says you gotta have this rainbow bracelet flask if you want to sneak in a shot of tequila while in public. And still look fashionable, it's yours for $28. Ellen is also looking out for your well-being by suggesting you get these Hydrolyte Effervescent Electrolyte tablets. One pack goes for $10 and will help you with that tequila hangover. Spring also means more outdoors time. Get the party started with this JBL Flip 4 waterproof portable Bluetooth speaker. They have it for $80. And whoever has the best playlist has control of it. You might want to get some allergy medication while you're at it. It is sneezing season after all.